Hello everyone! It is time now to learn some fun facts and information about strawberries. Strawberries mainly consist of water and carbohydrates. They contain only minor amounts of fat and protein. Carbs in strawberries consist mainly of fibers and simple sugars. They have relatively low GI and should not cause big spikes in blood sugar levels. Strawberries are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin B9, and potassium. They contain small amounts of several other vitamins and minerals. Strawberries may decrease your risk of heart disease and cancer, as well as help regulate blood sugar. Strawberry allergy is rather common, especially among children. Individuals who are sensitive to birch, pollen, or apples may experience symptoms after consuming strawberries. Strawberries are low in calories, delicious, and healthy. They're a good source of vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds, some of which have powerful health benefits. The health benefits include reduced cholesterol, blood pressure, inflammation, and oxidative stress. These berries may help prevent big spikes in both blood sugar and insulin levels. Strawberries are an excellent addition to a healthy diet. I hope you enjoyed learning about strawberries. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Until next time, bye bye now.